Okay. Next, it will be hierarchy node variable was. So, when do we use this? For example, look at this. Do you understand what is a node? What is a node? That is root node. Any value in the hierarchy is called as a node. Yeah. Let's say here I've choose the hierarchy name. Let's say as manual. So what happens? There's no variable now. It will start showing with what? With the fixed hierarchy as what is it? The manual hierarchy, which is nothing but the state-wise hierarchy does it show. Okay. Let me see that. So there's no variable now. It's fixed on that hierarchy. So it will always showing you the state-wise. Okay. And let's assume that hierarchy is very huge. Now I would like to give flexibility to the user to choose which node of data does he want to see. Karnataka node, Telangana node, any particular node doesn't want to see the entire hierarchy. Then what I'll do, I go with node variable. So hierarchy is fixed. Now within the hierarchy, a node lo data or chudalla. So when you want to do dynamic restriction on a particular node of an hierarchy, we go with hierarchy node variable. Okay. So once you choose hierarchy, now get into the filter block. Select this customer key, restrict. Now if you see, if it's a single value here, now if you go to variables, what did it say? Without hierarchy, it was just showing me normal characteristic value variable. Now it creates what? Create. What type of variable is this? Hierarchy node variable. Clear on this? So that is where we use. First, let me. You got this? What hierarchy is fixed. Now within that hierarchy, at what node level does he want to see the data? And you want to make those selection of that to be dynamic, then we go with hierarchy node variables. So let me create. I'll say what. Again, and this comes with 4 processing types: user entry, authorization, customer exit, and SAB exit. And user entry would be where user interested, and this would be based on authorization. It takes in the value. This is the code, and this is the SAP content, business content objects. So major usability would be with user entry 40%, and there is no numbering like that. As per my experience, what I've seen is majorly it is used with user entry, and what is this? Authorization as a processing. Okay. Now we're looking at user entry. Now let's say. Sorry. So manual entry, single value is fine, optional. If you want to change it into multiple nodes also. Okay. Now I'm restricting with hierarchy node variable. See, when you have a characteristic without hierarchy selection, if you create variable, it is characteristic value variable. Once my characteristic is enabled with some hierarchy, and then if you try creating variable on it, it will be node variable. Yeah. So now you see this indicating node variable was here. Now hierarchy is fixed about manual hierarchy, but within that hierarchy you can choose a node. Now look at when you say F4, it shows him all there Karnataka, Telangana, which node he wants to see. Any node he can select. I selected what? TG. Now it does display data only for TG node only. So like this, when you want to make the restriction of a node level restriction of an hierarchy dynamic, we go with hierarchy node variables. This is with user entry. Okay.